Today we're trying Black Rifle's new canned espresso. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You know that I like drinking Black Rifle Coffee Company's coffee because it's delicious. And the can says right here, veteran owned and operated, employing lots of vets. Now, they have had canned coffee in the past, and I've actually loved it because it's super convenient just to be able to grab a can, get my caffeine. It was delicious, but they actually just came out with some canned espresso here that I am super excited about checking out. First of all, it says the Espresso 300 triple shot, and that's because there is a ton of espresso in here. I also want to show you that this can is much larger than a standard pop can. This sucker is 15 fluid ounces. So that is, 3 fluid ounces taller than your average pop can. Only 140 calories, but more than anything, this triple shot is going to give you a lot of caffeine, keep you going. And for some of us that are working, need to keep the juices flowing, maybe getting older, a little caffeine doesn't hurt. So I thought I would try this out. Now this one is the caramel vanilla, so a really frou-frou flavor, but that's the kind of guy I am. Frou-frou. And I thought I would just see what this looks like. First of all, it's just got a iced coffee look. I'm sure you could pour this over ice if you want. Drink it at room temperature. I always do. Drink them straight out of the can. Look at how big 50 fluid ounces is. Glad I didn't grab my small cup. But man, that thing is huge. I can already smell the coffee. It smells great. Oh man, that's tasty. I tell you what. I can definitely taste the caramel. Maybe a little bit of that vanilla. That is so smooth, man. These could be dangerous because you drink a can of this, put this down pretty quick. I could see that you'd be tempted to go and grab another can, and that's a lot of coffee and caffeine, but that is delicious. I tell you what, if you're the kind of person that can't drink black coffee, that maybe doesn't want to just hit the pot of coffee in your workroom, that maybe you stop in the morning to get yourself a cup of gourmet Java, well, I tell you what, with this, you're not going to have to. Because this is as good as any of those luxury coffee brands that I've ever tasted. Man, this is good. Tell you what, over ice, this would be a refreshing summer drink as well. Wow. So, I've got this 12-pack here, and I will tell you that it's actually a pretty good value when you consider that this sucker is the giant 15 fluid ounce can right there. So, pick it up. If you want to pick up Black Rifle Coffee at a discount, I'll put my referral link in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here.